Hello. Welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words seen, sin, and seeing. Let's look at each one individually. Scene refers to a place where an event occurs or a specific section in a play, movie, or narrative. It can also describe a view or setting in a more general sense. For example, the scene in the movie where they meet for the first time was unforgettable. The sunset created a beautiful scene at the beach. Seen is the past participle of the verb see. It indicates that something has been observed or viewed. For example, I have seen that documentary several times. She has seen many incredible sights during her travels. Sin is an act that is considered morally wrong or an offense against a religious or ethical standard. It often implies wrongdoing that carries a sense of guilt or moral failing. For example, he felt that lying was a serious sin. In many cultures, theft is considered a sin. Seeing is the present participle of the verb see. It describes the act of perceiving something visually. For example, seeing the world through a child's eyes can bring a fresh perspective. I am seeing a lot of changes in my neighborhood. To summarize, a scene refers to a place where an event occurs, or it can describe a specific part of a play, movie, or narrative. Seen is the past participle of the verb see. It refers to having perceived something with the eyes. Sin is an act that is considered wrong or immoral, often in a religious context. It can refer to actions that violate moral laws. Seeing is the present participle of the verb see. It describes the act of perceiving something visually. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.